Welcome to ICI's comprehensive guide on setting up your FMX 400 or FMX 700 series thermal system. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to effortlessly install your system and ensure a seamless thermal inspection process. Let's start by opening the package and unveiling your state-of-the-art ICI system. Ensure you don't cut too deep when you cut the tape, as there may be packing inserts or cables. Within the white box is the Ethernet cable and the coaxial power cable for the camera. Under the white box is the AC power adapter with jack connector for powering the camera. Additional adapters may be included. Lastly, we have the FMX series camera for monitoring and measuring asset temperatures. Seen here are the components included in the package. We are now going to set up the device and go over the general guidelines. Keep in mind, you can find additional detailed instructions in the booklet included with your system. To ensure the proper setup and positioning of cameras and equipment within your facilities, ICI recommends enlisting the services of a trusted third-party provider. This will help assure the optimal functionality and performance of the equipment in your specific environment. Watch our tips and tricks video for selecting installation locations and properly aligning infrared cameras. A tripod installation may be appropriate in some instances. A 1/4-20 mount is made available on the bottom of the device. This is a basic computer, and the steps to deploy it are simple. Connect the Ethernet cable to the appropriate computer port and run the cable to the FMX series device. The coaxial cable is key to the device and attaches only with the proper alignment. When aligned properly, the cable clicks easily into place. Do not force the cable or you may cause damage. To remove the cable, pull back on the cable collar, then detach the cable. Plug the jack end of the AC power adapter into the barrel end of the coaxial cable. Lastly, have a service professional run the AC power cord to the appropriate electrical source. For safety, ensure the equipment, including tripods, remains free of walkways and exits. IR Flash Pro software is designed to initialize upon startup, allowing you to immediately start monitoring critical assets. Be sure to watch our IR Flash training videos, which provide you with guidance on establishing regions of interest and collecting data. Once the user interface has loaded, visit the FMX tab of IR Flash to ensure critical assets are in focus. Proper focus and distance between the camera and the asset are essential for successful inspections. Connect your FMX device to ICI's Smart IR, a condition-based monitoring platform built on AWS's cloud services designed to monitor critical equipment. Smart IR offers 24/7 thermal video feeds, real-time alerts, notifications, and videos for archiving, warehouse, and distribution, manufacturing, energy, and utility markets. Thank you for joining us today. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. Contact your ICI sales representative with questions and visit us online at www.infraredcameras.com.